Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In Part 1, we explored common reasons why you might be having trouble shifting gears in your vehicle. Now, we're diving deeper into more advanced issues and their solutions. Whether it's grinding gears, slipping transmissions, or strange noises, we've got you covered. Let's continue our journey into troubleshooting gear problems and get you back on the road smoothly. Maintenance and solutions. Gear shifting problems can be frustrating, but before heading to the mechanic, there are some DIY tips you can try to troubleshoot the issues yourself. Tips for gear shifting problems. 1. Check the gear shift mechanism. Make sure that the gear shift lever and cables are not damaged or misaligned. Sometimes, a simple realignment can solve the shifting issues. 2. Inspect the transmission fluid. Low or dirty transmission fluid can also cause gear shifting problems. Ensure the fluid is at the correct level and is clean. If needed, top up or change the fluid according to your vehicle's manual. 3. Examine the clutch system. A worn-out clutch can lead to difficulties in shifting gears. Check the clutch pedal for any unusual play or resistance. If you notice any issues, it might be time for a clutch replacement. Possible solutions for gear shifting issues. 1. Adjusting the clutch. If the clutch is not engaging or disengaging properly, adjusting the clutch cable or hydraulic system might help improve gear shifting. 2. Replacing the gear oil. Over time, gear oil can break down and lead to shifting problems. Consider changing the gear oil as per the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain smooth gear shifts. 3. Inspecting the synchronizers. The synchronizers in the transmission help with smooth gear transitions. If these are worn out, it can cause gear grinding or difficulty in shifting. A mechanic can inspect and replace the synchronizers if needed. By following these DIY tips and possible solutions, you may be able to resolve gear shifting issues on your own or have a better understanding of the problem when seeking professional help. Remember to prioritize safety and consult a qualified mechanic if you are unsure about any repairs. Preventive measures. Taking preventive measures can significantly extend the lifespan of your vehicle's gearbox and prevent issues with changing gears. By incorporating regular maintenance practices and adopting driving habits that preserve the health of your gearbox, you can avoid the frustration and expense of gearbox malfunctions. Regular maintenance practices. Regular maintenance is crucial for the proper functioning of your vehicle's gearbox. Ensure that you adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including regular fluid checks and changes. Proper lubrication is essential to reduce friction and wear on gearbox components. Fluid checks. Regularly inspect the gearbox fluid levels and quality. Low fluid levels or contaminated fluid can lead to gear shifting problems. Fluid changes. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for gearbox fluid changes. Fresh, clean fluid is essential for smooth gear transitions. Inspections. Periodically have your gearbox inspected by a qualified mechanic. Early detection of issues can prevent major malfunctions down the road. Driving habits to preserve gearbox health. In addition to regular maintenance, your driving habits play a significant role in preserving the health of your gearbox. By adopting these driving practices, you can minimize strain on the gearbox and ensure smooth gear changes, smooth transitions, shift gears smoothly and avoid abrupt gear changes. Jerky movements can put unnecessary stress on the gearbox. Complete stops. Come to a complete stop before shifting gears, especially from reverse to drive or vice versa. Shifting while the vehicle is still in motion can damage the gearbox. Avoid riding the clutch. Do not keep your foot on the clutch pedal when it's not in use. This constant pressure can cause premature wear on the gearbox components. Parking correctly. When parking on an incline, use the parking brake to prevent strain on the gearbox. Avoid relying solely on the gearbox to hold the vehicle in place. By incorporating these preventive measures into your maintenance routine and driving habits, you can help maintain the health and longevity of your vehicle's gearbox. A little care and attention can go a long way in preventing the inconvenience and expense of gearbox issues. When your vehicle experiences issues with changing gears, it can be a major inconvenience and even a safety concern. Through this inspection process, you can gain valuable insights into the underlying causes of the problem. Remember, addressing gear shifting problems promptly can help prevent more significant and costly issues down the road. Stay informed and proactive. Stay informed about your vehicle's transmission system and how to spot early warning signs of gear shifting troubles. By being proactive and attentive to changes in your vehicle's performance, you can address issues before they escalate. Consult a professional mechanic. If you notice persistent problems with changing gears, seeking the expertise of a qualified mechanic is crucial. They can conduct a thorough inspection, diagnose the root cause of the issue, and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements. Trusting a professional ensures that the problem is accurately identified and effectively resolved. Maintain your vehicle regularly. Routine maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle in optimal condition. Regularly servicing your transmission, checking fluid levels, and addressing any unusual symptoms promptly can help prevent gear shifting issues from arising. By following a maintenance schedule, you can extend the lifespan of your vehicle's transmission and enjoy smoother rides. Drive safely and responsibly. Safe driving practices can also contribute to the longevity of your vehicle's transmission system. Avoid aggressive driving behaviors, such as sudden accelerations or abrupt stops, which can strain the transmission. By driving responsibly and treating your vehicle with care, you can reduce the risk of encountering gear shifting problems. Finally, being proactive, staying informed, seeking professional assistance when needed, maintaining your vehicle regularly, and practicing safe driving habits are all essential elements in addressing gear shifting issues. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a smoother driving experience and prolong the lifespan of your vehicle's transmission system. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle leads to safer and more enjoyable journeys for you and your passengers. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.